So we've come up with very simple principles that we believe should be applied and should be the default condition for minerals, and let me just quickly run them by you. The first point we're saying is that minerals are part of the commons and the state is only the trustee for the people and future generations. Okay? It belongs to all of us and all our children going forward. The second principle is that we have inherited the minerals and therefore we are only custodians over the minerals. We have a right to use in our lifetime, but we do not have a right to consume. We are custodians of the minerals for the future generations. The third principle that we've got is that we're saying that if we do decide to mine, in other words convert our minerals into something else, we have to make sure that we get the full value of the mineral. If it's worth 54,000 crores, we must receive 54,000 crores. If we receive any loss, is a loss to us and a loss to our children in perpetuity. It's an enormous loss. The fourth principle is that whatever we get from the mineral has to be saved in a new asset. We're basically converting minerals into another kind of an asset, and every single paisa we receive from minerals must again be saved, because again, if we don't do that, it's again a loss to the children. In particular, we cannot save it in any kind of assets. For instance, you put the money into a car, the car is not available to the children because it will have depreciated and become valueless. In particular, we are suggesting putting the mineral into a permanent fund, which is essentially a large fund where you never touch the principal or the corpus and you only use the income. The fifth principle is that since the mineral was owned by everybody in common, the permanent fund which was created from the mineral is also part of the commons owned by everybody in common, and therefore any income from this permanent fund must be distributed equally to everybody, because we all own the mineral, we all own the permanent fund, and this is nothing but the zon, the dividend from our right of ownership. We believe that this is logical, fair, and it is pretty much, it should be the default way of dealing with minerals and natural resources, and any deviation should be explained by the government and people's approval must be sought.